Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina, and as part of the ongoing upgrades here at the Farpoint Farms Restoration Department, well, I've been looking for a bigger air compressor because the one that I've been using for so many years is just a little 8-gallon, half horsepower. Got it from Home Depot. I don't even know if it's Home Depot brand. It might just be a generic one, but it served me well, but it just doesn't work well with air tools. Certainly does not work well with air sprayers for like painting, which is something I'm getting ready to get into as far as my next restoration goes. So I've been looking, but money's always tight. Anyway, I came across this at the local Lowe's. This is a Kobalt Quiet Tech. It is a 26 gallon, I think it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 26 gallon, 1.8 horsepower, and it does do 4.5 CFMs at 90 psi, and that's what I was looking for. My air tool requires that much, and paint sprayers. So this pretty much does it all. This was an open box. I think regularly these things are like 260, 270. I got this thing for 185 because it didn't have the box, but it had never been used. I don't know. I mean, it still had a little thing hanging off of it. We fired it up at the store. I didn't want to take it home, and it works fine. So let's check it out. I'll go ahead and plug it in here in a little bit and we'll listen to it run. So Quiet Tech, 80% quieter, it says. Now this sits in a different part of the building. It's on the other side of a wall, but the other one, you could definitely hear it humming when it came on, and because it was such a small compressor, it came on an awful lot. So I'm hoping this one will be a little more quiet, and certainly once it pumps up, that's an awfully big reserve tank there, 8 gallons versus 26, that hopefully this thing will be a perfect addition to the shop. So looking forward to it. Looks like a twin cylinder. It is oilless, which, I don't know. That was the only downside, Professional compressors usually are oiled compressors. But it does have a 3-year manufacturer warranty. I didn't even have to get an extended warranty on it. That is super cool. They did honor that, even though it was, I guess, open box. I guess that doesn't consider it used, but it is capable of about 150 PSI, although there's no way I'm going that hard or fast with this thing. I'll probably have it set to about 100. Let's go ahead and get closer. I do like the fact that it also has 2 line outs. So there are the gauges and stuff. So this one I'm going to have hooked to my air system that goes through the whole garage. I've got white piping that pipes it to a center, and that's where I have like a retractable hose. But I also have 2 other locations in the shop where air lines are. So I'll have that set through that side. And then this one will be in that long storage area. So if I have a tractor or something with a flat tire, I can run a hose from it out there. So that's kind of cool. And then we've got our regulator, so we have tank pressure on this side. The regulator, you can max that sucker out to 150, but I wouldn't recommend it unless you want to find out what it's like to meet God. And then tool pressure, so I'm going to rerun it, like I said, probably around 100, maybe 110 at most. So pretty cool. 26 gallon, 4.5 SCFM at 90 PSI, 1.8 horsepower running pressure, and a 3-year guarantee. So pretty nice, pretty nice. I will say I'm really impressed. First of all, this thing is heavy. I mean, it really is. That tank is extremely heavy duty. You can just see the welds on it are real nice. And got rubber stopper down at the bottom here, rubber bases. Nice heavy duty wheels for rolling. So really nice. Let me go ahead and put the camera down for a second. We'll get this thing hooked up and we'll fire it up, okay? All right, I've got it plugged in. Let's see what happens. Holy cow. Oh, wow. Now, of course, over the microphone, that may sound loud, but I'm not talking any louder than I was before. But dang, that is not loud. I mean, I could have that in the shop and not be bothered by it. That's pretty cool. I'm very impressed with that function. Wow. Let's see. Yep, it's already building pressure. That's at about 10 feet away. 15 feet away. I'd say that's about 20 feet away. Holy cow. At 20 feet away, I mean, I know I'm somewhat deaf, but at 20 feet away, I can hardly tell if thing's running. It sounds like it's 100 feet away at 20 feet away. Really cool, man. So, an unexpected treat. Like I said, money's been kind of tight here the last few months. We bought the lift and we bought the tire stuff, and You know, compressor has been on my list, but didn't really think that I'd be getting one. But when this deal came along, I was pretty much $100 off for a pretty nice high-end compressor. I just had to jump. Anyway, that's it for today. I'm Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.